Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at the hip hanger. So the hip hanger is basically a bull ring on a clip for a tool belt or a personal belt. You can put these even on just a pocket without a belt. Anything that it can clip onto, you can use it for. And these can be used for if it's anything a regular holster might carry, you could put into a bull ring. Very commonly used for towels and rags. Bull rings have always been an industry used tool just to hold a variety of miscellaneous areas. You could put this onto your standard tool belt that clips on with the bucket on a belt. Using a holster, sometimes some guys, we all do things so much different. Some guys carry a lot of things, some guys are minimalist, carry very few things, but to have options is very nice. For the guys that don't even use tool belts, other options for those guys are, so if we remove the tool belt out of the equation, we can take the hip hanger off. You can put this directly onto your personal waist belt, which still allows you to use it for any type of tool you want. You can position these anywhere you'd like. So you can put these on the back side, position them wherever you want if you're not comfortable with wearing a larger tool belt. Try to make these, we try to look for tools that are kind of universal and fits different styles of window cleaners. We all do things differently and we have different means and methods to get our work done. So we like to try to find tools that are out there that a wide variety of window cleaners can use. And we found this hip hanger, bull ring on a belt clip, very small, compact piece. You can add it anywhere. You can purchase these at windowworldsupply.com. $8.50 these are selling for, and check them out. You saw it here on Window Warriors Forum.